Hi, are you ready to shape your future? We are Industrial Design at Eindhoven University of Technology. We use upcoming technologies to create new concepts that shape the world of tomorrow. Whether you're passionate about creating innovative products, enhancing user experiences, or launching your own business, this is where you can make your dreams a reality. Our study program is centered around self-directed learning and offers a unique mix of design projects and courses. This allows you to shape your future on your own terms. Located in the heart of Europe's high-tech region, Brainport, we are at the center of technological innovation. Our professors are continuously pushing the boundaries of design and prepare you, our future designers, to make an even greater impact. Throughout your studies, you'll be learning by doing, making, and experimenting, tackling real-world challenges across industries such as healthcare, automotive, education, and wearable technologies. You will be part of a diverse community of innovators, thinkers, artists, and engineers who work together but also have fun together. After graduation, the possibilities are limitless. Our designers are successful in many different industries. From leadership roles in high-tech corporations and social designers, to design consultants and independent artists. Do you have a creative mind and a passion for using technology to shape the future? Then this is the place for you. Are you ready to take on the challenge?